Imagine planning your next trip in seconds. No endless tabs, no hours comparing prices, just type what you want, like a weekend beach escape. And Google's new AI in Google Flights finds the best deals for you. Flight Deals with AI is an experimental feature available in the US, Canada, and India. Instead of selecting dates and destinations manually, you describe your trip in plain English and the AI interprets your intent. You can even delegate full trip setup. For example, plan a 3-day business trip from New York to Toronto for September 15th. Compare 3 flight plus hotel bundles near downtown. And the AI creates options instantly. Connect your Gmail to reference loyalty programs and past trips. Google also flags real savings. If a flight is at least 20% cheaper than normal, it shows a percentage less than usual batch. You can even ask broad prompts like ski trips in January or 5-day trips under $600. So that's Google's AI powered flight deals. Your new personal travel agent, one prompt, and you're ready to fly. And for more information, more tips like this, so subscribe to AI Entrepreneurs newsletter or subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Ramesh Danta signing off.